Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the right sunscreen and preparing your skin. Choose broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Higher SPFs give more margin. Once chosen, shake or open the bottle and check for water resistance if you will sweat or swim. Apply to clean, dry skin. Make sure to remove heavy makeup or oils first so the product spreads evenly. Apply generous amounts to all exposed areas. Don't skimp, because under-applying reduces protection significantly. You now apply sunscreen methodically to get full coverage and proper protection. For the face, use about 1 teaspoon and 1 ounce for full body coverage. This ensures the labeled SPF is achieved. Once done, rub in evenly with slow, circular strokes, paying attention to common misses like ears, eyes corners, lips, neck, and tops of feet. Make sure chemical sunscreens are applied at least 15 to 30 minutes before sun. Mineral options work immediately, but still need even layering. Finish by scheduling reapplication and handling common issues. You must reapply every 2 hours and immediately after swimming, toweling, or heavy sweating to maintain protection. Once done, carry a travel-size bottle or SPF powder for quick touch-ups. These help over makeup. If you notice redness, stinging, or rash, stop using the product and rinse with cool water. Make sure to test a mineral sunscreen, zinc oxide or titanium dioxide later, since it's less likely to irritate sensitive skin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.